Caeser ciphers are an encryption system using letter substitution that took 800 years to crack. The Roman historian Sophonius tells us that Caesar himself used them to keep all of his correspondence private. So how do you do it? Well, you take an alphabet and you substitute letters, but you have to do it in a way that the other person can figure out. So this is a shift cipher. So let's say you shifted 5. So A would become E, L becomes P, and Z becomes D, as an example. So let's say you have a friend that you like to play games with online, and they have a really annoying little brother or sister who's always looking at their phone as messages come through and announcing them to everybody. So you want to send a message, want to hop on Overwatch, but you don't want their little brother or sister to know what you're saying. So you go through and you substitute W becomes A becomes E, and so forth until you get your code. And you take that code and you send it to your friend along with the number shift that you've chosen, in this case, a shift of 5. And then you get a message back from your friend that you have to decode. So, at decoding, G becomes C, E becomes A, R becomes N, and so forth. And you end up with the decoded message. Can't write now. 1 hour? And you send a quick message back to your friend, okay, or in this case, SO. And there you have it. You sent an encrypted message to a friend without their siblings knowing what they're saying. Here's an example of what those texts might look like. Have a great one. Stay safe.